Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will try and explore a method to find the highest common factor of the following, which is 90 and 108. There are two methods. One is the prime factorization method. So you can see that I have actually list out the prime factorization. So this part here, prime factorization is done. Then, because it is a common factors, so we just need to list out and find all the common prime factors. Times 3 times 3, and this will give me a value of 18, and 18 will be the answer. Now, what happens when the prime factorization they give us in index notation like this? And the HCF, we realize that it's 2 times 3 times 3 is 2 times 3 power 2. And as I compare the numbers, I saw something. I realized that we actually take the lowest power for each common prime factor. This is so such that it is actually really a common factor of 90 and 108, as seen previously on top. So this is something for you all to remember, that there is this pattern, okay? Now for the successive division method, we will just need to continue to divide by the common. And this one must continue to divide by the common prime factors. So in this case, both can divide by 2. Yep. And that will give me 45 and 54. I cannot divide both by 2 already, but I could divide both by 3. And then that will give me 15 and 18. I could still divide by 3 to give me 5 and 6. And at this point, there's no more common prime factor left. We cannot divide by any more common prime factor. We will stop here, and therefore the highest common factor, we just need to take reference from here. 2 times 3 power 2, 18. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.